Hey guys, my son and I just got back from 3 days at Playa Zacudo, which is just north of Panama on the Pacific side. We were volunteering with a friend of ours here who's a veterinarian. The folks in this area, it's very rural. There's no other veterinarians. So about twice a year, he drives the 6+ hours to get down to this area, sets up shop, and then he takes care of the local dogs and cats. Over the course of the almost 3 days, we took care of 27 dogs and cats, mostly getting them fixed and stuff like that because there's no real population control down there. And the environment being very tropical and near the beach, agriculture land, there's a lot of parasites and things like that. A lot of the leakia, which is a tick-borne disease, which affects dogs and cats. So anyway, we got to spend a couple nights sleeping on the beach in our hammocks, which was great. And a couple days of hard work, but we had a good time, had some really good food. Anyway, here's a short video of some of the things we saw and did, and enjoy.